Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create CRA My Account step by step. What is a CRA account? CRA My Account is a Canada Revenue Agency secure online portal for individuals. It lets you check your tax history, update your personal detail and apply for benefits without calling or mailing forms. Why do you need my CRA account? Track tax refunds, check benefit payments, view RRSP, TFSA room, update banking information. What do you need before you start? First we need to open our web browser and write down here CRA account. Here is the first link canada.ca. Sign in to your CRA account. I already provide that link in my description box. If you want, you can open directly through that link. Now I need to click here. Sign in to your CRA account. Sign in to your CRA account and register for CRA account. First I show you how to sign in, and you can pick anyone from these for login your account, and I show you all. Sign in partner. Here you can see list of all the bank names, and you can sign in your account through your online banking user and ID. Here you need to enter your user ID and password and sign in. Provincial partner and click here, and here you can see Alberta.ca account and BC service card. You can pick anyone for login your CRA account. Now I show you how to register CRA account. First we need to click on register for CRA account. Click here. Register for CRA account. Decide if you need to register. Gather your documents. When you register with the CRA user ID and password of a sign-in partner, you will need all these documents: social insurance number, SIN number, date of birth, amount you reported on your most recent tax return. And faster access your CRA account, you will also need a mobile device with your working camera and one of following documents like a Canadian passport, Canadian driving license and provincial photo ID. Choose a sign-in option to register with. We can choose anyone, but we will choose CRA user ID and password. Verify your identity. Submit a photo of yourself and your ID documents. You can use the documents verification service to verify your identity immediately. Use a mobile device to take a real-time picture of yourself. You must be 16 years of age or older to use this service. Wait for your CRA security code. If you cannot use the documents verification service, CRA security code will be sent to you by mail within 10 business days. Sure your address is up to date. Now I need to click on CRA user ID and password. I open this link on new tab. Verification your identity, social insurance number, date of birth, tax information. Enter the line 5000 from your 2024 income tax and benefit returns. If your 2024 return has not been filled and assessed, enter the line 5000 from your 2023 return. Enter the dollar only. Enter here. You can find this on the notice of assessment or the actual tax return file. I will show you here. And here you can see line 50,000 and total income. We need to fill this amount here, and after that we need to click on next. After that you create a personal CRA security question and answer. This will be used if you need to recover your security later, and choose the questions that only you can answer but are still easy for you and hard for other person to find out. Provide the email address. Finally enter your email address and confirm it. CRA will send you important notification about your account. This is for alert only. CRA will never email asking for personal information. Once you fill all these details, CRA will mail you a security code to your home address. This can take 5 to 10 business days. Without this code, you will have a limited access. Once you enter the code, you will unlock full access features. Once you get your code in the mail, you need to sign in your CRA account and enter the security code. After that, you can get full access for your CRA account. You can view your tax return history, check your benefits and credits, and even set up direct deposit for faster payments. After that, you need to keep your account secure. Enable email notifications for account change and never share your login details. CRA will never email or text you ask for your personal information. If you want to watch more videos related to immigration form and accounts, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.